Welcome to Photoshop Kindergarten, a series where I explain Photoshop to you as if you were 5. In today's lesson, I'm going to introduce 2 more tools on the toolbar that help you make selections. So far, we've learned about the lasso tool, which lets you freehand draw selections. We've learned about the rectangular marquee tool, which lets you make selections in the shape of a rectangle. And we've learned about the elliptical marquee tool, which lets you make selections in the shape of an ellipse. Today I'm going to show you 2 more tools that help you make selections. The first one is called the Object Selection tool. This is what the icon looks like in the toolbar. I'm going to click on the icon and then draw a square around the area that I want to select. When I release my selection, Photoshop will automatically make a smart selection around the object. Then I can move my selection around, or if I select the Move tool, I can move the actual object, which gets cut from whatever layer I'm on. The second tool is called the Quick Selection tool. This is what the icon looks like, and if I use this tool, I can just click and drag over the area that I want to select. It's pretty similar. Like I mentioned previously, there's many tools to make selections in Photoshop. That doesn't mean you have to use all of them. The best part about Photoshop is that if you don't like it, you don't have to use it. Whether you're editing or doing design in Photoshop, it's a very personalized experience and it changes for everyone, so there's no wrong way to make something. Don't forget to practice at home. Here's a quick recap to get you started, and I'll see you next time.